Okay, so next part in the sequence, I'll explain why, is the part behind the driver's seat, and the roof will attach to that, and what I've called the back box, which is a double wall structure, attaches the back of that. The issue is that we've got this in here, all of that area, from there down to there and up to there, then all of that. But it's freestanding. So, and upright, as you can see. All right, so like this. Where's the pointer? That is there and down to there. All right. There's that down to there and up to there. If we could construct this driver's seat box on here, it would stick out like this out to there, and under its own weight it would start to bend this lot. So I think what I'm probably going to do is assemble this independently, then finish off this part, and then add in, these are all loose on here. What I will do is I will add in some additional arbitrary struts across here and here, there, etc., etc., and across there as well, across that side as well. That's the left side door frame, left door, right door. Stiffen it all up, and then cut it off and bring it down flat. Get this part out the way, and then we'll have the second part, the middle part, as an independent structure. But the one important thing about that as an independent structure is that it's supposed to be dead flat on this plane here. This line here is all at the exact same height, so it should be able to rest perfectly fine on the floor. So that's the plan, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. This part, that one. Just going to assemble those up and then do the uprights and go from there. Right.